here at this unbelievable facility with Dr. Parsa Mohebi. I couldn't be happier. Well, here I am, less drugged up than the last time I talked into a camera.
This is an exciting day for me. This is number 9, lucky number 9, hair transplant surgery.
I'm 8.5 or so months away from my procedure. I had it. I've got all this coverage now in the front. I'm even contemplating doing another one to get some coverage in the back because I'm so happy. And I tell anybody that's interested, and there are plenty of people interested in doing hair restoration, how great it is here in this office and with this particular doctor. So I think that it kind of turns the clock back a little bit, and I'm not as unhappy when I get out of the shower and look in the mirror after drying my hair off a little bit. It's like, wow, okay, I feel like I went back in time 15 years, 20 years to when my hair was a little bit thicker and better. So I can't recommend it enough. I can't be happier with everything that's happened with this procedure, and actually looking for more because I am so happy. So the only problem is he's so good you can't get in. So that would be my warning. You can get to a doctor that is wide open with appointments, don't go. Just get in line here because this is the best place on earth.